If you're in sales right now, you're feeling it. Something's off. Quota's harder to hit, buyers aren't picking up their phone, and the playbook that worked 2 years ago doesn't work anymore. And every week, there's a new AI tool that promises to do your job for you. Now, look, here's the truth. We are in the middle of the biggest shift this profession has ever seen. The old model is absolutely broken, and everybody knows it. Spray and pray outreach, volume over value, activity metrics that reward busy work instead of outcomes, that era is over. And the new model? Nobody has it figured out yet. We're all in this transition together. The people who are going to come out ahead are the ones who stop pretending like things are fine, accept the game has changed, and start building the skills to compete in what's coming next. That's why I built this channel. My name is John Barrows. I've spent over 15 years training sales teams at companies like Salesforce, LinkedIn, Google, Amazon, Slack, Okta, and hundreds of other companies. Before that, I was making $400 a week as an SDR, and I also built a company from nothing and took it all the way through acquisition. And then I started JB Sales because I kept seeing the same problem go unsolved. Here's what I know after all of that. The fundamentals of selling have never changed. How you prospect, how you run discovery, how you build a business case, how you negotiate, even how you close. That's the foundation. And over the last 10 years, especially in tech sales, we've gotten away from that. We've leaned on tools. We've leaned on inbound. We've leaned on a market that was so hot, it covered up a lot of bad habits. Those days are gone. The market has corrected. And what we're left with is a generation of sellers who have never had to do the hard stuff because they didn't have to. And now they have to. And so do you. So here's my approach. Let's get back to the fundamentals. Learn the why behind every sales motion so you actually understand what you're doing and can adapt when things change. And then layer AI on top of it to handle the repetitive, time-consuming work so you can spend your time on the thing that actually wins deals, the human connection. Look, AI is not replacing salespeople. Well, it's replacing lazy salespeople. And also, salespeople who use AI are replacing salespeople who don't. And the ones who combine the real fundamentals with AI are going to be unstoppable. That's what this channel gives you. Every week, I post tactical, no-fluff sales content you can use on your very next call. Tips on prospecting, cold calling, objection handling, discovery, closing. Stuff that works today, not theory from a textbook. I also host the Make It Happen Monday podcast right here on this channel. Every week, I sit down with the top sales leaders, authors, and operators in the industry, and we talk about what's actually working, what's changing, and where this profession is headed. If you want to stay ahead of what's moving in sales and AI, that podcast is your cheat code. Everything on this channel is free. Subscribe and you'll get better at sales, period. If you want to go deeper, I got 3 ways to work with me. JB Sales Pro is the membership I built for individual reps who are serious about leveling up. On-demand training, live sessions, frameworks, and a community of sellers who give a shit about getting better. The link is in the description. For reps who want hands-on coaching, my JB Sales Elite program is where I work with you directly to sharpen your skills and accelerate your career. And for companies going through this transition, my JB Sales Direct gets me to work directly with your sales organization to get them back to those fundamentals and learn how to leverage AI across the entire sales process. One more thing. I send a weekly newsletter where I break down what I'm seeing in sales, share what's working, and give you something actionable every single week. Sign up. It's free, and the link's in the description. Look, here's the bottom line. The reps who are going to thrive through this transition are the ones who commit to getting better every single day, 1% better. That's all it takes. Start here, subscribe, and let's make it happen.